The most deadly insects on our planet, the terrifying consequences. In the complex web of life on our planet, some insects have a dark and sinister nature. They are the deadliest of their kind, capable of destroying human lives and causing untold pain. Join us for a tour of the world of our planet's deadliest insects. These tiny creatures cause untold pain in everything from forests to cities. Prepare yourself for their bites, stings, and venom that cause untold injuries, infections, and death. Investigate experiences with the Anopheles mosquito, the bullet ant, and the tsetse fly. If you want to discover the bad side of other infamous life-changing insects, as well as their destructive effects and efforts to protect you, you must watch this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get into the video. 10. Fire ants, tiny stingers with a burning bite. Fire ants, also known as Solenopsis ants, are tiny insects found in tropical and temperate regions across the world. The most well-known species is the red imported fire ant, which was mistakenly brought to the United States. These ants are 1 to 5 millimeters long and have a severe sting. They are known for ruining crops and biting poultry while building semi-permanent nests with loose mounds. Fire ants communicate with one another via chemicals and stridulation, and young ants will even pretend to be dead to protect themselves. Their venomous sting, which feels like fire, can be painful and dangerous, especially for sensitive people. Fire ants are aggressive, and in certain regions, they have replaced native species. Their venom, composed of alkaloids and proteins, causes local burning, swelling, and potential allergic reactions. First aid treatments include topical solutions, oral medications, and seeking immediate medical attention for severe allergic reactions. 9. Fleas, blood-sucking jumping insects with deadly consequences. Fleas, like lice, rely on the blood of animals, including bats, to survive. They can't fly, but they make up for it with their incredible jumping abilities, which allow them to leap up to 200 times their body length. While flea bites can cause itching and inflammation, the true danger is the diseases they spread. Fleas are infamous pathogen carriers, including the bubonic plague, which decimated Europe in the 14th century, as well as illnesses such as typhus and sleeping sickness. Fleas can still cause tungiasis, a skin illness that causes severe inflammation and blisters. Fleas, which lack wings, have evolved to exist as external parasites on mammals and birds, piercing the skin and sucking blood with their specialized mouthparts. These tiny insects have a significant impact on both human health and the economy, with billions of dollars spent annually on veterinary bills, flea treatments, and pest control. 8. Killer bees, the swarm of death. Africanized honeybees, sometimes known as killer bees, are dangerously aggressive. They are more dangerous than European honeybees due to their greater venom and protective temperament. When disturbed, they strike in swarms, leading to countless fatalities of people, particularly in South and Central America. These bees spread over the Americas after a hybrid between an East African lowland honeybee and a European subspecies. They are extremely protective, following humans up to 400 meters and stinging more than European bees. While considered invasive, they have become dominant in beekeeping and are expanding their territory. Fear of killer bees is encouraged by sensationalist media, but knowing their behavior and adopting security measures are critical in reducing their threat. 7. The monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is not only beautiful but also holds a dangerous secret. It is one of the most poisonous insects on Earth. The caterpillar of the monarch feeds exclusively on milkweed, absorbing toxins from the plant into its body. These toxins remain even after the caterpillar transforms into an adult butterfly. Consuming a monarch can have deadly consequences for humans, as the milkweed poison can lead to cardiac arrest. Despite its perilous nature, the monarch is renowned for its striking black, orange, and white wing pattern. Additionally, these butterflies are famous for their remarkable long-distance migrations across North America. The name monarch is believed to have been bestowed in tribute to King William III of England, as the butterfly's colors resemble his secondary title, Prince of Orange. 6. The Asian giant hornet. The Asian giant hornet, also known as the northern giant hornet, is the largest hornet in the world. It is native to East Asia, South Asia, mainland Southeast Asia, and parts of the Russian Far East. In 2019, it was discovered in the Pacific Northwest of North America, raising concerns about its potential as an invasive species. Asian giant hornets prefer low mountains and forests, and they feed on larger insects, other eusocial insect colonies, tree sap, and honey from honeybee colonies. They have a body length of 45 millimeters, a wingspan of around 75 millimeters, and a potent venomous stinger. Since its discovery in North America, it has been commonly referred to as the Asian giant hornet or the nickname murder hornet. In 2022, the Entomological Society of America adopted the common name northern giant hornet for this species. The Asian giant hornet can be found in various countries, including Russia, Korea, China, Taiwan, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nepal, India, Sri Lanka, and Japan. 5. Kissing bug. Kissing bugs, also known as Canenos bugs or vampire bugs, are gruesome insects that spread Chagas disease. When insects bite, such as the mosquito, they are clean, but the kissing bug is not, adding to its gruesomeness. They eat in an unusual manner, creeping on people's faces as they sleep and biting near their mouth. What makes them especially nasty is that the sickness they carry may not manifest itself in life-threatening symptoms for decades. Chagas disease can cause cardiac difficulties, intestinal problems, and nervous system disorders. Trypanosoma cruzi, the parasite responsible, is spread when the insect defecates and the human accidentally infects the wound while scratching. These bugs, prevalent in the Americas, are probable Chagas disease vectors, and their bites can cause anaphylaxis in susceptible persons. 4. Tsetse flies. Tsetse flies, also known as tick-tick flies, are large biting insects found in tropical Africa. They are infamous for being the primary vectors of African trypanosomiasis, commonly known as sleeping sickness. This devastating disease affects the central nervous system and can result in severe neurological disorders and even death if not treated promptly. Tsetse flies are obligate parasites that rely on feeding on the blood of vertebrate animals, including humans. Their presence has a significant impact on sub-Saharan Africa, causing human and animal trypanosomiasis, which leads to decreased agricultural productivity and contributes to rural poverty. Livestock affected by the disease experience weakened health, reduced milk production, and high mortality rates. 3. Bullet ants. Bullet ants, scientifically known as Paraponera clavata, are insects found in the rainforests of Central and South America. They are notorious for their exceptionally painful sting, often described as being similar to the sensation of being shot. The venom of bullet ants contains potent neurotoxins that elicit intense pain, leading to excruciating discomfort for the victim. Additionally, the venom can cause muscle paralysis and systemic reactions. Although fatalities from bullet ant stings are rare, encounters with these ants can be distressing and traumatic. The pain inflicted by their sting is considered the highest on Schmidt's Sting Pain Index, which rates the pain intensity of insect stings. Victims experience waves of burning and throbbing agony that can persist for up to 24 hours, leaving them in a state of prolonged suffering. The reputation of bullet ants as one of the most painful stinging insects serves as a deterrent, as their presence invokes fear and caution among those who venture into their habitats. 2. Assassin caterpillar. Lanomia obliqua caterpillar, often known as assassin caterpillar, a South American species, may appear to be harmless, yet it conceals a lethal secret. With spines that quickly detach and release venom, the sting of this caterpillar can disrupt blood coagulation, potentially resulting in bleeding and organ failure. Because the venom quantity is small, multiple stings are usually required for harmful effects. Encounters with these caterpillars are possible due to their exceptional concealing and congregating habit. Lanomia obliqua is the world's most poisonous caterpillar, producing severe injuries and deaths. Antifibrinolytics and an antiserum from the Butantan Institute are used in treatment. Understanding the impact of this toxin's disseminated intravascular coagulation is critical in treating this perilous encounter. 1. Mosquitoes, silent but deadly. Mosquitoes, particularly female ones, pose a grave danger as they spread a wide range of deadly diseases. These tiny insects require a blood meal to reproduce, making them carriers of dangerous parasites and viruses. Malaria, transmitted by the Anopheles mosquito, alone causes hundreds of thousands of deaths annually, mostly among young children. Additionally, mosquitoes are responsible for spreading diseases such as dengue fever, Zika virus, West Nile virus, chikungunya fever, yellow fever, and more. The impact of these diseases is especially severe in areas with limited access to healthcare. The bites of these seemingly insignificant insects have a devastating impact on global public health. Well then, that's it for today's video. We hope you found this exploration into the world of lethal insects eye-opening and thought-provoking. Remember, these tiny creatures wield immense power, wreaking havoc and causing unimaginable suffering. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and let's work together to protect ourselves and mitigate their impact. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating content. Until next time, stay safe and beware the chilling truth behind the world's deadliest insects.